Beautiful lake. So yeah, I like to do my route first before I work out. Go this way. Go through the magical forest, magical trail. Yes, sir. Trees everywhere. Beautiful spot. Beautiful scenery. Y'all getting POV. Riding bike is something I love, so I'm gonna do more videos of that. Just exploring. Florida is a beautiful state, so I would love to show y'all what Florida look like. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. Beautiful trees. There go iguana. You see the big lizards in the grass? Those are iguanas. And it's a regular bike. It's not electric, straight pedal. It's a mountain bike. I'm recording with my hands. So there's no hands, guys. Take this right. Now that's one hand right there. That's a one hand turn.